morning, my dear students. How are you? How's everything? Hope everything is fine. Today we are gonna continue our topic, percentage of increase and decrease. We've covered a couple of examples, and today we're gonna continue some examples. Let's take the first example with us here, number here. This is an example. Let's start with it. A coat was originally priced at $50. يعني الكوت originally كان ب$50. It went on sale. There was a discount, and it becomes $35. What was the percentage that the coat was discounted? يعني he asked about the percentages, the percent of, or the discount percent, okay, or the percent of discount or decrease, because it becomes less in the value. يعني it was $50, now it becomes $35. يعني he asks about the percentage of decrease or the discounted rate. Type here, first thing I will do what? I said I have to do two steps. 50 in order to get the amount of change, okay, or the difference. يبقى I have to find the difference between 50 and 35. يبقى first I will subtract 35 from 50. The answer will be 15. طيب after I get this 15, what am I going to do? I will do what? I will divide the 15 by the original price, which is $50. يعني now هو الديسكاونت بقد ايه؟ يعني قل بقد ايه؟ قل ب$15. طيب what am I supposed to do in this $15? I want to know the percent of decrease. يعني there is a $15 difference between the original price and the new price. طيب ال$15 دي, in order to get the percentage of decrease or the discounted rate, I have to divide this 15 by the original price in order to get the value of a discount. So 15 divided by 50, sorry. Here, as I said before, and I will keep saying, if you want to go for long division from this step, go ahead. If you want to go for simplification first, you can simplify these two numbers by 5 and by 5. By 5 because 15 and 50, they are both in times table 5. So by 5, 15 by 5 divided by 5 will give me 3. 50 divided by 5 will give me 10. This is very easy. I don't need to go for long division. 3 over 10 اللي هي ايه؟ 0.3. يبقى in order not to go through long division from the first step, I can go for simplification. Once I simplified these two numbers, I found 3 over 10. 3 over 10 is very easy. As we learned in decimals how to change or how to convert from fraction to decimal, as long as I have in the denominator 10 or 100 or 1000 zeros, I just count the number of zeros and I put decimal point, and I count I have 1 0, I will put 3 exactly after the decimal point. Okay, so the answer is 0.3. okay, is it clear? Okay, let's go for the next example. Here, last month John spent $75 on games. يعني زي كده عاشور وزي أمين, they went علشان يلعبوا PUBG, they spent for like $75 on games, for buying new games وكده. هو they spent $75. This month he only spent $63. يعني حرام, الشهر ده قل شوية. يعني he used to pay last month $75, but this month he paid only $63 on games. طيب هو بقى ايه? he spent what percent less in this month? What is the percentage of discount or the percentage of decrease? Okay, what is the rate of decrease? يعني before last month Amin paid $75 على الجيمز. But this month حرام he just paid $63. يبقى ايه ال percent of decrease قد ايه؟ طيب first I will subtract what? I will subtract 75 from 63. 75 from 63, the answer is 12. طيب this 12 is the amount of dollar which he saved this month. He didn't pay $12 اكتر اقل من ايه؟ من the previous month. طيب انا عايزه ال percent of decrease. So I will divide this 12 by what? By the 75 by what he paid last month, in order to know how much percent, how much percent, what's the percent did he save this month. يبقى I will divide this 12 over 75. By the way, I can go through long division in this step. 12 over 75, but I believe it's gonna be a little bit harder. So if you can go for simplification first, يعني the numbers will be much easier for you. So here both 12 and 75 are in times table 3, as we know. So 12 divided by 3 before, 75 divided by 3 is 25. In this step I can go for long division لأن the numbers are يعني slightly or a little bit easier. So I will put out 25 and I will put inside the 4. Okay يسر، خليكي معايا يسر. I will put out the 25 and inside 4. Okay, then I ask myself 25 times what will give me 4? There is nothing, مفيش. So I will put up 0, then I will put the decimal point. This decimal point will give me the right to put zeros as much as I can or as I want beside the 4. Then I ask myself 25 times what will give me 40? 25 times what will give me 40? مفيش، لا يبقى في 1 بس. Okay, so 1 يبقى 25 times 1 will give me 25. So I will subtract 40 minus 25 equals 40 minus 25 equals 15. 15, right? Then I will drop down another 0. Then I ask myself 25 times what will give me 150? 25 times what will give me 150? I can try with 5 first. 25 times 5, I can try with 5. 25 times 5, لا 125. So I add, so I will go for 6. 25 times 6, 150. يبقى exactly 150. Right? So 25 times 6 equals 150, exactly 150. يبقى here 0.16. يبقى the answer is 0.16. يبقى here my answer is 0.16. Is it clear, or I will explain again? If it's not clear, I can explain again. Okay, let's move to another example. Here it's a little bit different. I want you to concentrate with me, and we're gonna repeat it again and again. But please concentrate with me, because this type of question is little bit different than the others. The others we used to find the difference between the two numbers, the original number and the new number. Then this difference we divided by the original number. But here, let's read the word problem first, and then let's check the givens and explain it together. طيب here بيقول ايه؟ A student spends $50 on school supplies. يبقى ايه؟ هو ايه؟ راح جاب from the stationery $50 copy books و pens و pencils وكده. طيب where at the store بقى where the sales tax is 10%, what is the total cost of the supplies? طيب let's بقى explain. طيب هنا بيقول ايه؟ هو الولد راح he went to buy some stuff from the stationery shop. Okay, some stuff, copy books على pens على pencils على colors على he found out that ايه ب $50. طيب بس ال $50 دول he has to pay كمان عليهم over this $50 10% tax ضرايب. يعني he will not pay only $50. لا ده هو لما راح للكاشير when he went to the to pay he found that the $50 is not the only amount he's gonna pay. لا ده الراجل قال له كمان ايه ده في 10% على ال $50 دول you have to pay them for the tax. طيب يبقى هو التوتال اللي هو دفعه قد ايه؟ يبقى هو لازم هيدفع ال $50 plus ال 10% tax of the $50. يعني هو دلوقتي هيدفع حاجتين. The first thing ال $50 plus the 10% tax of the $50. طيب يبقى انا لازم احسب الاول ال 10% of the $50 دول هيطلعوا كام amount كام in dollars. هو مديني بس percent. طيب البرسنت دي يعني هو هيدفع 10% من ال $50 كمان taxes. يعني he's gonna pay 10% more over the $50 on the $50. اوكي يبقى انا لازم احسب I have to calculate first the 10% of the $50 دول هيدوني كام. يبقى هجيب ايه التاكس بكام. هعمل calculation ال $50 time ال 10%. يعني ايه 10%؟ احنا قلنا ال percent it's over 100. يعني percent it means over 100 in Latin باللاتيني percent يعني over 100. يعني لما اقول لك 10% يعني 10 over 100 20% يعني 20 over 100. طيب هنا يبقى انا لازم احسب ال 10% اللي هي 10 over 100 دي من ال $50. يبقى انا ايه هعمل 50 times 10 over 100. طيب الزيروهين دول هيروحوا مع الزيروهين اللي فوق. يعني ادي 1 0 هيروح مع 1 0 1 0 هيروح مع the other 0. يبقى هيبقى لي ايه من المحور ده كله 5 times 1 which is 5. يبقى ال $5 دول هم التاكس على ال $50. طيب يعني هو هيدفع he's gonna pay $50 and another $5 اللي هم التاكس. يبقى in total he's gonna pay كام $55. لا الدولارز مش دي الدولارز where's the dollars I don't know اهي يبقى he's gonna pay $55. اوكي طيب we're gonna stop here and continue tomorrow ان شاء الله the same example and similar examples like this because this is another type of examples for this برضو topic. So let's finish until here and inshallah we'll continue tomorrow inshallah. If you have any question please feel free to ask me and inshallah see you tomorrow. Please take care of yourself and stay safe at home and see you tomorrow inshallah. Have a good day inshallah.